Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As the end of the school year is right around the corner, here are a few tips to help your exams go a bit smoother. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, on to the video. If you want to write an essay, take notes, or even write an email but don't want to type the whole thing, just go to the top left, click Edit, Start Dictation. It will literally write down everything that you say. It's that simple. If you have to check an essay or an email but don't want to read the whole thing, select what you have to check, go to the top left, click Edit, Speech, Start Speaking.
I am happy to join with you today in what
It will read the whole thing.
History as the greatest demonstration.
If you want to stop it, click Edit, Speech, Stop Speaking, and it will stop for you. It's a really easy way to check your work. If you have a vocabulary test coming up or you just want to refresh your vocabulary skills, one great website you should go to is wordgenius.com. WordGenius is a great site which gives daily vocab words with their definitions, synonyms, and antonyms, and more information such as the origin. You can practice your vocabulary and learn new words all on this one site. If you sign up for the word of the day, you can get different word questions such as this, and you can play the game. WordGenius is a great site, especially if you want to learn new words and expand your knowledge and vocabulary. If you have a question, thought, or a concept to review, write it down on a sticky note and put it on your window. This will help you not forget the concept you need to review or something you have to do. One great way to keep track of all of your goals is to make a goals jar. Take a piece of paper and write down a goal you have. It can be anything from a reminder or a to-do to a long-term goal. I'm writing post more YouTube content because that's something I need to do. Then fold up that paper and put it in your goals jar. Shake up the jar and pick one goal. It's a great way to look at all the goals from the past years, and once you're done accomplishing that goal, take it out of the jar. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Have a great day and be positive like a proton.